What if I told you you could start losing weight naturally without starving yourself or spending hours in the gym? Today, millions of people are struggling with obesity, low energy, belly fat, and unhealthy lifestyles. But the good news is, small daily changes can create massive results. In this video, I'll share the most effective and science-backed ways to lose weight fast, safely, and naturally. Make sure you watch to the end because tip number 7 is the biggest mistake most people make. Let's get started. Obesity happens when your body stores too much fat due to unhealthy eating habits, lack of activity, stress, poor sleep, and hormonal imbalance. And obesity is not just about appearance. It increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, fatty liver, joint pain, even depression. The good news? Your body can recover faster than you think if you start taking the right steps today. The first secret to fast weight loss is simple: drink more water. Many times, your brain confuses thirst with hunger, so you end up eating more than your body actually needs. Drink 1 glass of water before meals, 2-3 liters daily. Water helps boost metabolism, reduce cravings, burn more calories naturally, and replace sugary drinks with water immediately. Soft drinks are one of the biggest causes of obesity. If you truly want to lose weight fast, avoid these dangerous foods: sugary drinks, fast food, fried snacks, white bread, excess sweets, processed foods. These foods are high in calories but low in nutrition. Instead, eat vegetables, fruits, eggs, fish, chicken breast, oats, brown rice. Focus on protein-rich foods because protein keeps you full longer and reduces hunger naturally. You don't need an expensive gym membership to lose weight. Walking is one of the best fat-burning exercises. 30 to 45 minutes daily, especially after meals. Walking helps burn calories, improve digestion, reduce belly fat, improve heart health, and if possible, use stairs instead of elevators. Small habits create big transformations. Most people ignore this, but poor sleep can actually make you gain weight. When you sleep less, hunger hormones increase, cravings become stronger, your metabolism slows down. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Also, stress increases a hormone called cortisol, which promotes belly fat storage. Try deep breathing, meditation, light exercise, spending less time on your phone before bed. Your mind and body work together. Here are some powerful daily habits that help people lose weight faster. Eat slowly. Avoid late-night eating. Use smaller plates. Track your calories. Reduce sugar completely. Eat more fiber. Do simple home workouts. Even 15 minutes of exercise daily can change your body over time. Consistency is more powerful than motivation. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They try extreme diets. Skipping meals or starving yourself may reduce weight temporarily, but it often slows metabolism and causes weight gain later. Healthy weight loss should be safe, steady, sustainable. Aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, naturally. Remember, fast results come from smart habits, not dangerous shortcuts. Losing weight fast is possible, but the real secret is building healthy habits you can follow for life. Start today with better food, more movement, better sleep, less sugar, more consistency. Your future body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment your biggest weight loss challenge, and subscribe for more health and fitness videos. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.